What's going on, guys? Another day here with Pelletier Motorsports. That's awesome that you guys decided to come back. Well, we're gonna edit that. It's awesome that you guys. Nah, we'll leave it. We'll leave it. It is awesome that you guys came back. We love it. Today we are going to go to another car show. It is a major car show. At the end of the day, there's some bracket racing, all kinds of good stuff like that. So. We are going to head down there. Place is in Three Hills, Alberta. It's probably about an hour and 20-minute drive from us. So we're going to head down there and see what that's all about today. First, I'm going to stop at the car wash. I've got to clean my car. Then I'm headed over to work, where we're going to meet up with everybody. I got to retorque my wheels. I got to air them down a bit. Just had new tires mounted and they are way overinflated. I'm going to meet up with a couple boys there, and we're all going to cruise down together. Hopefully we get a couple shots cruising down, but it is a pretty long drive, so I don't expect you guys to hang on for that whole time. So without further ado, let's get this day started. Hello, Jeff. We are going to the car show now. You be good. Fishies. Dirty sock on the floor. Yeah, fuck you too. What you doing, Cade? What you doing?
This whole side leaks. Just the one side.
Your tires leak?
Just that side.
Really?
Yeah.
Like, is it a bead leak or what?
So I drive the Pella home and fucking park it there, or just fucking leave it on the street.
Let's leave it on the street. It won't hurt nothing.
And then pop the sock. Turn off the air first.
Yeah, it leaks like fuck.
What was that?
You fuckers ready for today or what?
Yeah, we are ready.
Ooh, GXP. Those are supercharged, aren't they?
Yes, those ones. Yeah, GXPs. There we got Lorenzo and Moses.
Moses of the fucking Red Seas.
Doesn't like that. It wants to point down.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's funny. Oh, dude, yeah.
Oh, Cadence.
That is not my full name.
It is now your full name. It's legitimate on camera, so now it's your full name.
Koala Gabe. Just back from the outside. Yeah. Here, let me give you my debit card. I do double. You want double?
Dub.
Dark roast.
Are you ready to roll?
Dub.
This isn't
Yeah. Like, you're not even feeling up yet. Like, what's going on?
The same thing happened. I can't read my email.
Gotta be quick. Quick like a butterfly.
Why do I such fishies?
Like,
Cancel it.
Oh my god.
yeah. Same thing happened last time.
I swear to God, man, like you fueling up takes like an hour into our trip.
Now it's not.
Don't worry, my car's fueling right now. It's okay. Oh, I'm done.
Oh, he's done. Not even started. I'm gonna run and grab some cash too.
Why? I got enough. I got motor to get 100.
Oh, okay.
I stepped on my thing though.
Ooh.
Stepped on my thing.
Got it dirty.
20 horsepower modification right here.
Oh, big power.
If you add this to your vehicle, any vehicle at all, this is an extra 20 horse each wheel. So it's actually 80 horsepower all around. Yeah.
What's up?
Do you think you're better than us because you park in parking spots, Cade? Is that what this
Fuck
is?
camera off me, man.
Is that what this is? Do you feel like you're better than us?
Parking like that? No.
Like, I mean, you may have found a parking spot, but it's
Again, first time.
it's really not good.
I'm between that line and then between that line. So
Yeah, okay.
the
Does he
wind
have
drag-
one on the back?
I think so.
No.
And those roof racks, that's like 40 pounds.
Roof racks is
On each
like
wheel.
downforce for sure.
But with all the
Oh, he
horsepower,
does have one on the back.
You have wind drag, right?
He does. And a hitch.
It's like coming from his guy.
When you add the tow hook on the front of your car, it's 20 extra horse per wheel.
Of course,
Yeah, and then you've got another one out back, which is like,
It's not
damn.
gonna be one of these
Oh,
channels,
look
is
at
it?
these
Oh,
fucking.
Thanks, buddy. I got one for you, bud.
Oh
Double
my
dark
God.
roast, correct? Oh,
For me?
we were gonna give you black dark roast.
higher like this on a run like this.
It doesn't help 21-inch rim.
On the camera, does it add 10 pounds?
Makes you look even more buff.
Oh, awesome. So anyway, sorry our footage kind of died, so we didn't get the whole show, but we got most of it.
Got a lot.
Yeah. Kate is behind us, but caught between a soccer mom unit, which is about to finally go by us. Yeah, it was fucking hot. Holy Christ. We didn't really see all the show because, again, way too hot. Jumped in the car, escaped the air conditioning. You know how it is. But yeah, we got like another 30-minute drive in front of us. And then I'm going to wash this up because it's covered in bugs. And we'll talk to you guys when we get back to Red Deer. Well, we are back in town. I just dropped Colin off at his car, and I'm going to head to the car wash now to get these bugs off. What a great day. I mean, it was super, super hot, like we said. It was like 30-some degrees, and just wildly hot. And with the smoke that we've been having, oh my goodness, you can hardly breathe. All those wildfires are still burning. It's slowly clearing up now, but it's not fully gone yet. Yeah, no, it was a great day. Awesome, awesome, awesome turnout down there. That will probably be all for today's video. Yeah, again, we're just going to go to the car wash here, get it washed up, and head home. We have another event in Calgary tomorrow. Not car related, so won't be doing any clips of anything there. And we will hopefully see you guys with some more content in a couple days. Again, if you haven't already, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. All the help we can get is greatly appreciated and needed at this point. Just a little guy trying to grow big, and you guys are going to be the ones to help us do that. And hopefully we can grow together. And anything you guys want to see, please comment it below, and we will try our best to make that happen. All right. Well, thank you so much, guys.